Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to use Copilot to assist with emails. Copilot can help us summarize, draft, or even write emails, and this can create a massive boost in our daily productivity. Before we get started, we wanted to let you guys know that we're currently running a giveaway for Microsoft software. At the end of the month, one lucky subscriber will get a chance to win any Microsoft software of their choice from Indigo Software. For instructions on how to enter this giveaway, watch the quick video here. As always, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright guys, the first thing we wanted to mention is integrated Copilot. If you are a 365 member, you'll see a button right here that says Summary by Copilot or something along those lines. I personally don't like monthly subscriptions and I have a standalone copy of Office, and that means that this integration is actually not available to me. But I think there's actually a better way to use Copilot. I'm going to be giving you guys some practical tips on how I use this tool to help in my everyday life with my business. Okay, so we have Copilot open. We also have a fake email. I generated this with AI, but this is something along the lines of what somebody might send me when they're looking for someone to help them shoot a new video project. When we're using an AI tool, a good rule of thumb is to give it the best prompt possible. We want to guide it along the way in terms of who we are, what we need, and what specific context is happening. Okay, so in this use case, I'm going to show you guys how I will use Copilot to generate a response to this. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to select the email, I'll copy it, and I'll paste it into Copilot. So I'll hit paste, and then I'm going to hold Shift and hit Enter a few times to give me a new line. I'm going to write a prompt and then we'll break it down. All right, guys, so I've just finished typing a prompt and it says, please help me respond to this email. You can learn about my company by visiting my website. So I'm instructing it to essentially read my website here, and I want it to go through and just learn about my business. And it's basically going to generate a response knowing this information rather than guessing it. I then asked it to roughly communicate the following. And then I basically typed in a little draft email of what I want it to say. And the last thing I'm going to add is please add clarity and professionalism. Okay, let's hit enter. All right, and then here is the response that it generated. All right, and then I'll copy that and reply to this email. And as we can see, this basically established everything I wanted to without me actually having to format it or think too hard about writing it. Now that we've done this process once, we could actually just ask it to do it again. So rather than me having to type out that entire prompt, I can basically give it the email and ask it to do it again. Okay, here is another example of an email that I might receive from a client. I'm going to paste the email into Copilot here, and then I'm basically going to say, create another response to this, draft the email using the new information you have about my company. Now let's see what it does. And as we can see, without me really having to prompt it, since we've done our original prompt, it's already going to be asking clarifying questions, and it's going to be helping to establish clarity and professionalism with my client. There are many different things that we could use Copilot for when we're working inside of our inbox. One thing we might ask it to do is summarize. For example, I have a promotional email from Robinhood. Let's say I don't really understand the language here, or I don't really want to read all of that. I'm going to ask it to summarize and simplify this information for me. And now we're basically getting bullet points on what this offer is. And we could use this for a very long piece of content, for example. Okay, and then the next prompt that I'm asking it here is to write a template for me to send to existing clients offering 10% off for bookings made before 2025. So the use case here might be sending this out in an email marketing campaign. So I followed this up with use well-studied copywriting techniques and add a bit of humor. So basically I want the content to be well written as if it was written from a professional copywriter. Let's see what it does. And as we can see, now we have an email template. I might even go paste this into Word and sort of make my own edits to it. But again, we're just using this as a tool to help us move a little bit faster and more efficient inside of our emails. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about using Copilot to help draft or write emails for you, drop those in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you want to enter for a chance to win a free Microsoft software license of your choice, follow the steps in this video. Also, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any videos that you'd love to see, we'd love to know what that is. Most requested video topic ideas get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.